Oh my god, I'm so excited. Maybe I bought too much coffee or something. Hello everyone, and I'm Tiffany again. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm gonna show you what I bought for my birthday. Because my birthday is upcoming next month. December 1st is my birthday. Yeah, so I bought some jewelry for myself as a birthday gift. Because what happened 2020, this epidemic is massive, it's changed our lives. I'm just like most of people all around the world, decreasing the income, about personal financial, and lots of shit happened. But it's okay, you have to fight for yourself, fight with yourself, because you have to face a lot of negativity, depressions, and stress, some insecure about yourself, about your future, just a lot of bad things. You have to get through that. So we all deserve some trophy, so just, I don't want to say too much about this. Talk about something positive. So just let's dive right into the video. And I hope you enjoy my video. End of 2020, I think if right now we are still alive, we are still healthy, just treat yourself, in so many ways, not just to spend money or something, because our income is decreasing. Lots of people lose the job, and even I also stop my business for a while. So but I still think we should treat ourselves a little bit better, because change a lot, life is changed a lot. Yeah. And right now I'm wearing the Missoma necklace, the choker, and this kind of a snake chain from Lucy William. It's so pretty. Oh guys, you can tell that it's so shiny. Right now I'm filming with the natural lighting through the window, and today is really sunny day in Bangkok, and I'm so happy. I take advantage of their Black Friday sale from Missoma. 25%. Right now, I think until I'm filming this video, they are still going sale. So if you want to buy some jewelry for friends, for Christmas, for yourself, you can check them out. You can take this advantage, because the quality, everything is so good. Because I'm not kind of a jewelry collector, but I saw lots of jewelry collector video. They said the quality of Missoma jewelry is really on point, because they're all made by vermade. It means 80K gold on top of silver. Yeah, so they are heavy, they are good quality, and the detail, everything is on point. I bought 9 pieces. There's no flop, the quality is over there. So I'm so happy about this Missoma shopping experience, especially online, because right now I'm in Bangkok of Thailand. So I ordered November 23, and I get my package November 26. How fast is it? It's unbelievably fast. So it's good online jewelry shopping experience for me. yeah, I will show you how I layered up with jewelry and how I style with them. Actually, you can style them really, really, easy, casual kind of a crop top. Like right now, I'm wearing this from H&M, and you can, blazer, everything, basically everything. Yeah, it's mix match with a lot of things. So right now, I'll show you some detailing, and I will show you the price of that and the name of each product. Yeah, just it. The first one I'm gonna show you is this gold beveled chain necklace. I love this one so much. This is so shiny, and the pendant is separate. Yeah, I only chose one pendant. You have to buy them separately. And I will link down all the price and yeah, all the stuff if you want to check it out. This necklace is also a Lucy William collection. It's kind of a flat curved chain. It's also gold color. This is really flattering when you wear that. I really like this. And on a daily basis, it can match almost everything, every outfit you're wearing, and also really shiny. Up next is this one. This is a snack chain. It's also from Lucy William collection. And this one is, you can wear on a daily basis also. You can layer up with the, the previous one. Yeah, so pretty, so shiny, so gold, reflective. I bought a lot of earrings from Missoma also. This one is my favorite. It's chunky hoops. It's, it's kind of vintage vibe. It's really pretty, but a little bit heavy for me. Yeah. And I ordered this choker from them. This is really beautiful. It's kind of gold leaves detailing. Everything is sophisticated. Yeah, and the length is really on point actually, because some choker is way too tight or way too long. This one is awesome. Last but not least is this one. This is really chunky kind of a, it's also from Lucy William collection, or it's not, I believe it is. I will put the information on the screen. So this one is chunky, it's cool vibe really, and it's really heavy and the most expensive one also, and I really love this one. this is 3 more hoops, like mini hoops I got from Missoma. This one have some sparkly, is that diamond or something? I don't know. It's really shiny, pretty, and sophisticated. A pair of this one, and I bought the single hoop because I have 3 piercing on my 2 ears. So this one is single one. You can see it's really shiny, sophisticated.